How's it going, everyone? I wanted to do a video about FFIE. Haven't done it in so long, and it turns out it's just like, what has this thing been doing, right? Of course, it's gave like some nice opportunities, so I just want to go over that opportunity, where to look for another entry if you want to play this stock, as it's one of the retail's favorite stocks. So we got to give it, attention, give it some review, and see where we're gonna go. And we'll see from there. So, way back in June 25th, it had a massive run. It went up over 100%, and it was just absolutely beautiful. Right in here, it just went bam, 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 bam. And you might ask, well, why did it do that? Well, there's tons of theories, right? But with my strategy, we try to get precise entries and precise bottoms. So I love trend reversals, because what's happening in a trend reversal is you get this big overreaction down move and you go straight back up, and then the trade's done. We don't trade anymore. As you can see, we've just been consolidating forever. Nothing really fun to do, and it's just going to be like that for some time. We'll probably have a reverse split. Our last split was back in March. They did a 1 for 3. And we'll see from that. But as you can see with my system, I call it the band strategy. The upper band is the red band, that's a sell zone. The bottom band is a buy zone, that is your A plus setup. And if you want to see like where to also buy this, is I use the EMAs in the middle. You might ask, well, how do you do that? I love using the time distance, the price targets of the EMA 5, because everywhere in price history you're going to hit the EMA 5, which is the purple, the EMA 10 is the yellow, and the EMA 20 is your light blue. It doesn't matter what it is. Anything with price history will hit those three middle bands. It just happens all the time. You can back test it, but it's a matter of when does it happen and all that. So the most easiest target is the EMA 5, and when you see this black space like right up in here, as you can see, you had this nice black space, it tends to fill it really fast, so it makes sense to have an entry below the EMA 5. And if we use trend channels, we can see how precise we can actually get these entries. So we're going to do a shorter term trend channel. We're going to look for below the EMA 5, and we want to make sure we hit the bottom trend line. So as you can see, this candle right here was the big drop. So we have to redraw a trend channel, because this is going to be the new channel you're in. Give it some time, let it play out, and as you can see, oftentimes when you're playing this out, we will hit the bottom trend, and as you can see, we get very close. And why does it go up from here? Is because there's so much buyers and a lot of people are eyeing this level, and we go all the way to the opposite spectrum, making well over 100%. I would have took way less gains than that, as we did hit the EMA 5. I probably would have took that easily, the EMA 10, but this thing just kept ramping up, right? So that's FFIE. As you know, we're above the middle trend line, so obviously I would not take this position here. We're right at the EMA 5. We don't have much, room down below. So it's not really a lot of things I would play. Could it absolutely go up and hit the upper trend? Absolutely. And hit the upper band? Absolutely. It's just more of probabilities versus risk, because you got to realize it could go the opposite way and go down here to the bottom band or the bottom trend line. Could do a reverse split and all that. So that's why it happened. That's why people are like, well, FFIE, it did that because there was a lot of people eyeing this level. It's a strong demand zone. A lot of buyers were bound to pick up on this, and it was just a beautiful trade on FFIE. Has lots of volume, 183 million. This trade gets lots of volume, so a lot of eyes are on it. As you can see, we had this big spike up, right? Big spike up, but we hit the upper band, and this is a sell zone, and this is a great shorting opportunity for the price to go back to the EMA 5, 10, and 20. My golden setups, I alerted this video way back when it really was 4 cents. If you look way back in my YouTube videos, I liked it because, one, look at this time distance we had ahead of the 10 and at the 20. So what I saw in this trade is like a perfect EMA 10 touch when we're way below here under the EMA 5, and this thing just went massively up. The A plus setups are always going to be at the bottom band, at the ATR 4, with your trend channel touch. As you can see right in here, we have an ATR 4 touch, and we went up massive from there. We hit the 5 and the 10. What a beautiful trade. it was just absolutely awesome. We'll see what the trend channel has said. It didn't give us a trend channel touch right here, but still, even though we hit the ATR4, it was still a nice trade. Right here was a nice rejection from this bottom trend and gives you a nice little gain. If you want to take that, I wouldn't have taken it because it didn't have enough time distance from the 10. This right here was a beautiful trade. And as you can see, time and time again, guys, this gives you precise entries. And as you can see, right in here was another bottom ATR4 touch, and we move up to the 5, 10, and 10. 5 and EMA 10. Remember, the EMAs are your price targets. That's where you can consistently get gains, because we know price has to hit your EMA 5, 10, and 20, and price does that all the time. When price moves away for it, it goes back up, and then it tends to go back down or up wherever it wants to go. So, but don't get overexcited on these pumps. A lot of people chase these, and then they end up bag holding just for it to go back down. You always want to get in early, and with this system, I promise you guys, I will get you in early. I will never have you chase. I'll never let you FOMO, and you'll never lose big amounts of money because of that. Because price going back up to this 68-cent region is a lot harder, because there's a lot of bag holders, and people are going to get out of their positions because they hate it the minute this thing spikes. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, I'm telling you guys, you're going to learn a lot. This is the best system. It has a lot of strategies. I do swing trades, I do day trades. If you click the link down below in the YouTube comments, there's a link that says join the premium Discord for my alerts and system, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. I have an in-depth details here. Please read avoid scammers. I would never DM you or message you first. There's a lot of people impersonating me because we have over 5,000 members total in this Discord. It is growing fast because anybody can do this strategy. I think it's not that hard, guys. You look at simple strategies where probability versus risk versus reward. We know that right in here is your best risk versus reward. Could you buy it up in here and still make gain? Yes. Could you buy it up in here and still make gain? Yes. But the problem is, if it goes down, you're kind of screwed. So all you have to do, if you want to be a member of my team, hit the server shop on the top left, and you will see we have two products, Swing Trading Plus and Day and Swing Trading Plus. And you're probably like, wow, that's really cheap. Yeah, because it's not going to cost you an arm and leg to try this service. For $12 a month, you get access to all my services and future education videos. There's videos that are exclusive only to the Discord community, because only if you guys paid your dues, you should obviously get that. You're going to also get alerts sent to your phone of trades that I think are good. I have an RTK journal where you can click this link and see all my trades that I'm in with my wins and losses, and I'm on a big win streak. I'm over 95% win streak, and I tend to keep it that way because this strategy works. It is a very, very nice strategy. I'm not going to say you're going to win 100%, but you're going to get really close. And if you do this strategy right, you very well could get to that mark, and you can see for yourself, guys. So this is the thing. So hit server shop. Swing Trade Day and Swing Trading Plus gives you access to everything. You can read the description of what you get in here. So I hope to see you guys there, and I'm planning on doing live streams if you are in the Day and Swing Trading Plus. And so we are going to look to do that, because I am day trading options with this strategy, and it's been just very nice, back tested, and it's working amazing. So hope you guys do give this video a like, subscribe, comment. I am waiting for FFIE to hit the bottom trend channel, just like this time right in here, along with the lower ATR4, which would be an A+ setup, and that would be a nice bounce effect area. Hope to see you guys in the next video, and I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. Let's make some money, guys. All right, peace out.